Alright, so for today's session, we're gonna discuss the importance of research in daily life. Ano nga ba ang mga benepisyo ng pagre-research natin? Research is the foundation for understanding the world around us. It empowers us to make informed decisions, uncover hidden insights, and foster continuous learning, all of which are essential for navigating the complexities of daily life. Okay? So, mahalaga ang research, no? Sapagkat ito yung nagbibigay sa atin ng bagong kaalaman sa ating pang-araw-araw na buhay, especially in scientific community. Okay? So let us proceed with the next slide. Understanding the world around us. So we have number one, gaining knowledge. Research allows us to explore and comprehend the intricacies of the world, from scientific phenomena to social dynamics. So through research, we gain new insight, we gain new knowledge. Ano? Natututo tayo ng mga bagong kaalaman dahil ito sa pag-research natin. From the previous research, and we build a research gap, ano? May nakita tayong research gap. We build upon it, no? Makadidiscover tayo ng mga bagong bagay. Okay? So number two, identifying patterns. By analyzing data and information, we can uncover patterns and trends that help us better understand the world we live in. No? So parang mathematics lang yan. No? We see patterns. No? So of course, when we see patterns in mathematics, no? So usually, most of the time, ano? So we are in the correct path. Tama? Nasa tamang direction tayo. Because we see a pattern. So, parang research lang yan. So, by analyzing the data and information that we have, no, nakikita natin yung katotohanan, yung ideas. Next, we have satisfying curiosity. So, the process of research fuels our innate curiosity, enabling us to explore the unknown and discover new frontiers. No? So, alam natin yan, no? Curious tayo sa mga bagay-bagay. So, dahil curious tayo, magkakandak tayo ng research. Is there a relationship between this blah 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 blah? Is there a significant difference between this blah blah blah? No? So that is why we are conducting research, no? To satisfy as well our curiosity. Okay? Let us proceed with the next one. Making informed decisions. Okay, no? Especially sa management, no? School administrators. So it is very important to make an informed decisions based on evidence, based on research, based on what is true. Okay? So evaluating alternatives, mitigating risks, and optimizing outcomes. So we have three. So let's start with evaluating alternatives. Research allows us to carefully assess various options and make informed choices, whether it's related to personal, professional, or financial matters. No? So that is evaluating alternatives. No? So we could see the other things na maaari natin gamitin din. Next, mitigating risk. By gathering and analyzing relevant information, we can better anticipate and manage potential risks, leading to more confident and well-rounded decisions. No? So, because of research, naiiwasan natin yung mga bagay na mangyayari na negatibo. Okay? So, because of research, we save ourselves from those risks na mangyayari sana kung walang research. But because of research, na-prevent natin yung masamang maaaring mangyari na yun. And next, optimizing outcomes. So through research, enables us to identify the most effective and efficient solutions, maximizing the chances of achieving our desired outcomes. Okay? So that is the making informed decisions. So let us proceed with the next slides, which is uncovering hidden insights. So we have here three. So let's start with number one, questioning assumptions. So research encourages us to challenge our existing beliefs and preconceptions leading to the discovery of new unexpected insights. Of course, kaya tayo nagre-research, we want to discover something new. No? Hindi tayo nagre-research dahil alam na natin yung magiging resulta. That is the common misconception of the early researchers, no? Especially yung mga undergrad researchers pa lamang. No? So, trying to control the result is unethical. Okay? So that is why we are conducting research to discover new ideas, no? Not to make no, what we want to be the result of our study. That is unethical. Next, identifying trends. By analyzing data and patterns, we can uncover emerging trends and gain a deeper understanding of the world around us. No? So, of course, no, we have to research what is the time, the timely information, what is trending. No? So, of course, we want to know the updated knowledge no, about this particular trends. That's why it is crucial that we conduct a research on those timely data, no, timely information na kailangan natin. And of course, for the third one, we have driving innovation. So the process of research often sparks new ideas and solutions, fueling innovation and progress in various aspects of our lives. No? So of course, we do research para maka-discover ng new ideas, ng new solution to existing problem na mayroon tayo ngayon. No? Para mas mapaunlad ang ating kabuhayan. And of course, we have here fostering continuous learning. So, curiosity. Research nurtures our natural curiosity, inspiring us to continuously explore and learn new things. No? So, that is why dapat curious tayo to learn new ideas. No? Dapat curious tayo para naman critical tayo. No? Malaman natin kung ano yung tamang solusyon sa particular na problema na kinaharap natin. And of course, we have here lifelong learning. The pursuit of research encourages us to engage in lifelong learning, expanding our knowledge and staying adaptable in an ever-changing world. No? So dapat hindi humihinto ang ating pagkatuto, dapat tuloy-tuloy ang ating pagkatuto. That's why it is very important. The lifelong learning, continuous learning, professional developments, no? So it is very important. And of course, we have personal development. So conducting research and applying new insights can lead to personal growth and the development of valuable skills. No? So through research, no, nag-i-improve tayo. No? So ako noon, talagang when I was in senior high, no, I am very eager to learn research. What is research ba ganyan? And then till I reached college and now I'm taking my master's degree. So I'm finishing my master's degree right now. So this is very helpful. This research journey is very helpful in my personal development as well as to my professional development. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned a lot in this session. Bye bye. I'll see you on the next one.